Welcome to Chemistry Simplified. Our topic for today is writing formulas with the name of an ionic compound. Last time we did the same thing, but we only looked at the representative metals, group 1A and group 2A. This time we're going to be looking at the transition metals. Many of them could have more than one charge. For our first example, let's write the formula for copper 1 oxide. Copper 1, that tells us that copper has a positive 1 charge. Right? The Roman numeral in parentheses, that's the charge of the metal. In our next presentation, we'll talk more about this. Oxide means we have oxygen. Since oxygen is in group 6A, it's a nonmetal. It wants to gain electrons. So oxygen would want to gain 2 electrons, so would have a -2 charge. Remember, we want to gain 2 electrons to achieve the octet rule. That's a topic that we have covered in previous discussions, so you can review it if you have questions about it. All right, so we have copper with +1, oxygen as oxide with a -2 charge, and we crisscross them. We exchange the charges, and we end up with Cu2O. So this is the formula for copper 1 oxide. Example number 2. Now let's write the formula for copper 2 oxide. Copper 2, that's the charge for copper with a +2 charge. And again, we have oxide, which is oxygen with a -2 charge. We exchange the charges and we end up with Cu2O2. Now, we have 2 for both of them, so we can simplify it. And the final answer is CuO. So this is the formula for copper 2 oxide. Example number 3. Write the formula for iron 3 sulfate. Iron 3. So iron has a charge of +3, and sulfate is a polyatomic ion. So we have to look it up. Let's bring the table, and we see sulfate is SO4 with a -2 charge. We exchange the charges. As you can see, SO4 has a 3 next to it, and it looks confusing. So to avoid confusion, we put SO4 in parentheses. So the formula is Fe2SO4 in parentheses with a 3. Our last example, write the formula for lead 4 carbonate. So lead 4, meaning that lead has a charge of +4, and carbonate is a polyatomic ion, so we have to look it up. And there it is, it's CO3 with a -2 charge. We exchange the charges. So we put CO3 in parentheses to avoid confusion. Now we have Pb2, CO3 in parentheses with a 4. So 2 and 4 are both divisible by 2, so we can simplify it. And our final answer is Pb, or lead, parentheses CO3, and 2 on the outside. Alright, so this is the end of our destination. We are done. Thank you for watching. Please remember to like, subscribe, and share, and let us know in the comment section if you had found our presentation to be useful. Have a great day.